Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the fast and free shipping. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another one, guys, coming from my good friends over at OneOdio Studio Hi-Fi headphones. Comfortable to wear, 3.5 and 6.5. Line-in microphone, hi-fi sound. Definitely excited to try these on. Oh boy, here we go. Got that. Get a pouch. You get the line converters and all that good stuff. And all the stuff you get. Get it, got it, good. Let's get into it. Bigger box than the others. I need those. Yep. Got the goodies in here. There we go. Let's get this open. And you guys gonna have a good weekend. A lot of sports on, time to relax. OneOdio. Need a manual. It's easy. Once you scan it on the phone, here's the pouch you get. Or whatever your Bluetooth connection is, it's going to be the Studio Hi-Fi. But you guys know how to do it. Simple, easy. Oh, this is a bigger pouch. Ooh. Oh, wow. Bigger yet. Man, these are nice. So like I said, holiday's coming up, guys. Jump ahead early, get your buddy some of these, get yourself one. Oh, phone's gonna die. We'll make this fast. Same thing with this. Take this, boom. Boom. And you're all set with that. And just plug that into whatever you need to plug it into. And this goes to any other devices and stuff like that. Look at the shine though. These are nice. And where are the power buttons? Oh. Why am I not seeing? How do I turn these on? Did they forget to put the buttons in? Alright, I gotta grab the manual. Hold on. Okay, guys, definitely these are the ones to get. Got them going. You can see the blue light somewhere right there. But definitely check these guys out. These are really comfortable. You can also share these with the SharePort technology. You can connect multiple headphones to one device. No splitters needed. Use the, I think, this jack right here. This long one. Hook this to your device. Hook this into the speaker. So really cool. Noise cancellation, performance, and comfort air. That's true, guys. These are super nice to get. All you gotta do is click the link down below. Check them out. OneOdio on Amazon. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good weekend. Oh, this one. Ha, I knew if I had it somewhere on my lap. Alright, guys, be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.